Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by charging the case and confirming both AirPods have at least half battery. This prevents interruptions. Once charged, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone or Mac and keep the device within a few feet. Open the case lid next to the device. On iPhone, the pairing card appears automatically. On other devices, press and hold the case setup button until the LED flashes white. This action establishes the initial secure link, so your AirPods are recognized. Once paired, you should configure fit and controls so performance is optimal. Run the ear tip fit test to confirm a proper seal. A good seal improves bass and noise cancellation. Then open settings to enable noise control modes and map press and hold or double tap gestures for transparency or Siri. This saves time later. Make sure automatic ear detection is active so playback pauses when you remove an earbud. These tweaks make daily use smoother and conserve battery. To finish, adopt simple habits. Always return AirPods to the case after use to recharge and protect them. Regularly wipe silicone tips and case ports with a dry, lint-free cloth. Avoid liquids and probing tools to prevent damage. If audio stutters or pairing fails, reset by holding the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then repair. If problems persist, check device Bluetooth firmware and battery status before seeking service.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.